started fractions and decimals. Okay, this is part 3. Okay, this is the third day class. This is. Okay, what is the question? We will solve the following. That means the addition and subtraction they will give to you. We have to solve this one. Maximum here we have maximum majority addition sum is there. What is the first question? 2 plus 3 by 4. 2 plus 3 by 4. Here denominator is not there. Denominator not there means multiply it to the this whole number plus 3 by 4 number. Multiply to the denominator. That means what we can do? 2 multiply 4. 2 multiply 4. Here plus sign is there. Plus 3 by 4. 2 multiply 4 plus 3 by 4. 2 4 is how much? 8. 2 4 is 8 plus 3 by 4. 8 plus 3 how much? 11 by 4. 11 by 4. That is the first question. Now second question. Okay, this one we can do two models. Okay, by cross multiplication method or equal the denominator. Now I want to equal the denominator. Equal the denominators. Equal the denominators. Equal the denominators. Now boys, what is the number? 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Okay, what is the denominator again? 9, 3. 3 biggest number is 9. Biggest number is available in 3 tables. Yes or no? 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. That means 3 should multiply with 3. We will get 9. So numerator and denominator multiply with 3. Multiply with 3. Okay, I want to make 9 here also. Already 9 is available here. I want to make denominator 9. So 3 should multiply with 3, then it will become 9. So that number only multiply with 3 only. So I want to multiply with the numerator and denominator with 3. Now multiply this one. 7 by 9. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. Whenever denominators are equal, these are called like fractions. Whenever like fractions are there, add or subtract the numerators. Here addition is available. 7 plus 3 by 9. 7 plus 3 is how much? 10 by 9. This is the answer. Now what is the answer for this one? This is subtraction is given, but model related to first one only. Multiply here denominator not there. Here denominator not there means 1 multiply 7 minus 4 by 7. Denominator not available. This is the whole part. Whole number multiply with the denominator minus 4 by 7. 7 minus 7 minus 4 by 7. That means how much? 3 by 7. 3 by 7. 7 minus 4, 3 by 7. That is the answer for these three. Next go for the remaining sums. 3 more sums are there. We will complete those. What is the answer for this one? Fourth question. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Next one, fifth one. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. Sixth one. Sixth one I divide here. Sixth one. Here on the left. Sixth one. 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2. And now we will solve these. Okay, whenever if you got addition or subtraction, while what problems are you want to do, very easily you can complete. Now we will complete the fourth question. What is the fraction here? Mixed fraction is there. Here proper fraction is there. Here numerator is small, so proper fraction is there. Whenever a mixed fraction is given to you, convert it to the improper. By taking the mixed fraction, we can do the addition easily. So convert into the improper. First convert into the improper. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 into 2 plus 2. Multiply these two and with 1. Always addition only. Okay. Whenever you want to convert mixed to improper, multiply these two, add with the numerator. Multiply these two, add with the numerator. What will be 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3 Now cross multiply. Cross multiply. Draw a line. 8 into 2. 8 into 2 plus here plus 3. 1 into 3. 1 into 3. 8 into 2 plus 1 into 3 by denominator is only multiply. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 8 2 is how much? 16. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. 16 plus 3 how much? 19 by 6. That is the answer. But this one we can convert it to the mixed also. Improper in God here, we can convert it to the mixed also. No problem there. So otherwise we can leave it. And now we have fifth question. What is fifth question? 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. Here also we can take cross multiplication or take LCM. Our wish that one. Okay, we can take multiplication or cross multiplication. 5 into 6 minus 1 into 8 by 8 into 6. 8 into 6. We can take LCM also. No problem with that one also. We can follow this model. 5 into 6 minus 1 into 8 by 8 into 6. 5 is how much? 30. Minus 8 by 8 is just 48. 8 is just 48. Now subtract these two. 30 minus 8 how much? 22 by 48. Now cancel this with the two table. Okay, 2 1 yes, 2 1 yes. 2 2 yes, 4 2 4 yes. How much answer is 11 by 24. 11 by 24. We can do this method, another method also. What that method is? We can equal the denominators. Equal the denominator. For this one I am saying 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. LCM of 8 comma 6. Okay, 8 comma 6 LCM how much? 8 6. Take LCM. Two numbers should divide with the same number. Two table. 2 4 yes, 2 3 yes. And 2 4 3 will divide with same table only? No. 4 will divide to one number 2. But 2 will not divide 3. 3 will divide with 3. But 3 will not divide 4. So give the LCM. Multiply these. 2 multiply 4 multiply 3. That is 2 4 yes 8 8 yes 24. That means here I want to get 24. Here I want to get 24. 5 by 8. Okay, 5 by 8. Otherwise you can write 24 directly. 24. 1 by 6. 1 by 24. Right directly. 8 table. How much should multiply to get 24? 8 should multiply to which number to get 24? 8 3 is 24. 8 3 is 24. Similarly, here answer. Okay, 6 table. Which number should multiply to get 24? 6 4 is 24. 6 4 is 24. Equal the denominators. What is the LCM? That one is written here. 8 should multiply with 3. 8 3 is 24. 8 3 is 24. 6 4 is 24. Okay, this number, this part 3 4 multiplied to numerator. Corresponding numerator. 5 3 is 15. 15 by 24. 4 1 is 4 by 24. Now denominators are same, like fractions. Now we can write 24 here. 15 minus 4. Denominator same is those are like fractions. Whenever like fractions are given to you, we can add or subtract with numerators. Add or subtract with numerator. Here subtraction is available to you, so subtract. 15 minus 4 means how much? 11 by 24. That is the answer. We go for the sixth question. Okay, either this model or this model. Any one we can do, but don't do either two models. Either one we have to know two models, but in examination we have to follow this model or this model. Any one of the model we have to follow. What is the situation here? 2 2 by 3, 3 1 by 2. Two mixed fractions are given. Whenever two mixed fractions are given to you, convert it to one is given also, you have to convert it to improper. So convert it to improper, multiply these two. 3 into 2, like this we have have to go. Okay, 3 into 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2. 1 by now 3 2 is 6. Multiply these two, add it. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 8. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 8 by 3 plus multiply these two and add it 2. Multiply these two, add it 1. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Okay, now cross multiply. Okay, if you take LCM also, we got same only. Cross multiply this 8 into 2 plus 7 into 3 by 3 into 2. 3 into 8 into 2 plus 7 into 3 by 3 into 2. 8 2 is 16, 7 3 is 21 by 6. Now we can add it 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 1 3 by 6. Either any calculation possible, cancel. Okay, but here mixed fractions both given. Convert this also into mixed fraction. 37 divided by 6. 6 6 is 36, remainder 1. What we can write here mixed fraction like this only matter. That means quotient, remainder, divided. QR D like this form number. QR by D. Quotient how much is 6? Draw a line. Remainder how much is 1? Divided 6. That is the mixed fraction for the answer. We will go for the second one. Arrange the following. Second one, very important model also. This is arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. What is the first question here? 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. Like is given. One more sum also given there. And that one do your one. I will not explain that one. 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 3 by 10. Okay, this is homework. Complete this one. This sum complete yourself. I will explain first one. Second one follow that one. To second one. And now what are the given? 5 by 8 to 5 by 6, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now equal the denominators. Equal the denominators. Denominators. Equal the denominators. How we can equal? By taking LCM. LCM of 8, 6, 2. Okay, now 8, 6, 2. Take LCM with two tables. At least two numbers divided with the same table. Then only you can proceed the LCM. Okay, 2 4 years, 2 tables will divide. 2 4 years, 2 3 years, 6, 2 1 years, 4 3 will not divide with the same table. So leave that one. That means 2 multiply 4 multiply 3. How much is 24? 4 2 years, 8 years, 24. That means each denominator should be how much is 24. I am now take 5 by 8 here. I want to make 24. And 5 by 6 here. Okay, here also I want to get 24. 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2 here. 24. Okay, now we have to follow the table of 8. 8 table. Which number should multiply to get 24? 8 3 is 24. 8 3 is 24. That means this 3 should multiply to the numerator. This 3 should multiply to the numerator. 8 3 is 24. That means here 8 3 is 24. This 3 multiply to the numerator. Okay. That means 5 3 is 15 by 24. Okay. And now what number should multiply here to make 24? 8 6 4 is 6 becomes 24. By multiplying 6, 4 times 24. These 4 multiplied to the numerator. That means 5 into 4. 5 into 4. 5 into 4 means how much is 20 by 24. 20 by 24. And similarly, 2 tables. 2 becomes 24 here. Which LCM you are getting, that one only equal the denominators. 2 table 24, how many get 2 into from number 2 24. 2 12 is 24. You have to remember the tables. Okay, 2 10 is 20. 2 11 is 22. 2 12 is 24. That means this 20 equal to multiplied to numerator. That means 1 into 12. That is equal to 12 by 24. I think all of you have understood this method. Equal the denominator. First method is what is equal the denominator. Take LCM for the denominators. We got LCM 24. That means each denominator convert into the 24. Okay, by 24 you have to write. Maintain each denominator. 8 convert into the 24. When it will convert by multiplying 3. 8 3 is 24. Multiply 3 into the numerator. 5 by 6. 6 multiply which number to get 24? 6 4 is 24. Multiply to the numerator. Okay. Next 1 by 2. 24. 2 becomes 24. 2 table 24 when you get 2 12 is 24. That 12 is multiplied with 1 column. Now all the denominators are same. Whenever all denominators are same, we can compare the numerators. Okay, we can compare numerator. 24, 24, 24. We can compare the numerators. 15, 20, 12. Okay, now we will write ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order equal by denominator 24, right? 3 fractions are there. 3 fractions 24 you have to write. 24. 15 or 20, 12. What are the numerators here? 15 or 20, 12. In these three numbers, which is smaller? 12. 12 by 24. Next remaining 15 or 20, which is smaller? 15. Ascending order means small to big we have to arrange. Small to big we can arrange it ascending order. Next 20 is the remaining 20. But here we require ascending order for these fractions. Okay, for these fractions only have it. Okay, not that one. So 12 by 24 is answer for which fraction? 1 by 2. 12 by 24 is answer for which fraction? 1 by 2. That means here write 1 by 2. Next 15 by 24 is answer for the 5 by 8. 5 by 8. 5 by 8 comma. Next 20 by 24 is 5 by 6 answer. 5 by 6. This is the solution for the ascending order. Okay, by following this method, we have to complete this one. We have to follow this one. What is the LCM for this one? 30. Then we have to make all the fractions denominator 30. Follow that one. Okay, follow the first question solution. Complete this one. Homework. We go for the third question. Fourth question. A rectangular paper okay, third question, don't confuse that one. Like this given. Very simple sum only that one. 6 by 13, 13 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 7 by 13. These are called rows. These are called row. These are called rows. These are called column. These are called column. Okay, these are called diagonal. Okay, these are called diagonal. Diagonal. Okay, we get your column combinations given myself. We have to add it. Okay, combination is one. Try this yourself. What is the today command? Okay, today command complete second Roman. Page number 29, 20. Page number 29, 30. Second Roman. second Roman and third Roman. Second Roman and third Roman complete yourself. Okay.